are those things that has inspired between you? What are the business you guys have?
Nothing, because we are not working in the same department.
Which department do you work?
I'm in forklift operator.
Eh?
Forklift operator.
Forklift operator.
Yeah.
Okay. I did not even hear about this allegation that said at times you lift some cable, you know, without being inspected and so forth that just drop for Odiaon.
I didn't know anything about that one.
Okay. Which one do you know something about?
I left there, as I said before, I left there due to their payment then.
mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa pé ẹ
Yeah.
kú làákàyè ẹ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń tẹ̀lé wa. mo sọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ wípé pétérù padà jẹ́wọ́ níbi ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ míì ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ fi ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ kan síwájú tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ lè gbọ́ níbi tó ti sọ wípé kò sí nǹkan kan tó da òun àti Odiaon pọ̀ rárá. ó yẹ fìdílé kan tàbí kẹ́ ẹ fi nǹkan lédìí ẹ tún gbọ́ ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ eléyìí tí wọ́n ṣe fún pétérù bó ṣe jẹ́wọ́ nísàn-án bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà bó ṣe ṣe. wọ́n máa ń sọ wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbé oríyìn fún iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá gidi gan-an ni torí pé nígbà míì àwa gẹ́gẹ́ bí aráàlú a sọ wípé ó yẹ kó ti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ó yẹ kí wọ́n ti lù wọ́n ó yẹ kí wọ́n ti béèrè ṣùgbọ́n pẹ̀lẹ́ nígbà míì ló dáa ká fi pẹ̀múkùrú pẹ̀lẹ́. ẹ túbọ̀ bọ́rọ̀ tún ṣe bẹ́yìn yọ lápá bí Odiaon tí gbogbo yín ń pariwo pé àwọn dà pé kò mọ̀ nǹkan kan dà pé ó mú ṣiṣẹ́ bó ṣe yẹ kó ṣe ni gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ẹ máa tẹ́tí lékọ lórí ìkànnì Ajára Màlífà TV ẹ rí wípé iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà wọ́n nílò láti gbé oríyìn gidi gan fún o tí wọ́n bá kù díẹ̀ káàtó láwọn apá àbí kan ẹ jẹ́ ká máa rántí ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbà àti ibi tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ takuntakun ká sì máa fún wọn lóríyìn wọn torí àwọn àgbọ̀pọ̀ wọn nìyẹn ní tẹ̀rí yẹn kẹ́ni kò lè ṣe míì akí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa tẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ wá ní ìkànnì Ajára Màlífà TV ní gbogbo àpẹ́ ẹ ṣé lágbára Ọlọ́run bá burú oníṣọ̀kan tèmi ti ọdún ayọ̀ láṣẹ Èdùmàrè ṣé o ẹ kú ìfẹ́.
Wetin be your name?
Peter Amen.
Huh?
Peter Amen.
Peter Ahmed.
Yes.
Okay. You are from which state?
Kogi State.
Which side in Kogi State?
Olamabro local government.
Huh?
Olamabro local government.
Okay. When did you come to Ogun State?
2017.
2017. Who brought you to Ogun State?
It's my brother Monday Paul.
Monday, Paul.
Yes.
Now, what thing they do?
Him be forklift operator. Forklift operator.
Okay, into they do forklift operator.
Yes.
Okay. You don't marry?
Yes, I get wife. Have 2 children. I get wife, have 2 kids.
Okay. Now, how old are you now?
28 years.
28 years.
Yes.
Yeah. There is this matter. Say the company where you work before you leave, Lagos Star, where they Ibesa or Ogun State there. Now, how you get there? Who take you there?
I get there through CV. I get there through CV. When I submit my CV, then I called me.
Okay, so, you just see the company you apply.
Yes.
Now, what the company they produce?
There only different all sorts of cables, all sorts of wire.
Wire. But you mentioned some wire quality like because I don't say even if I don't know, I don't say there's 1 2 mm, 1 mm, 1.5. Yes. Can you mention some this thing?
Like that 1.5, 1.0, 2.5, or flex, all those, any sort of cable. Any sort of
They
cable.
make all those solid cable.
No, armor cable. They don't use but they have started making it. It's not from last year, this year. They started it this year.
Okay, they started making that big cable now.
Yes, but I'm no more working there.
I'm not working there. Okay. Now, you entered that company when?
On the 8th January 2020.
2020.
Yes.
I don't want to make this interview long because waiting they happen with that company where we hear, where we see and gather chook mouth for, say that company, then they steal day in, day out. Now that they carry them property, steal the wire, steal cables, still waiting. Say now the staff, when they work for the company, now they do these things. When they carry all those wires, go sell. And you as a forklifter for that company say na many times they don catch you where you steal wire, say you go carry forklift, carry wire, lift am, go put am for back of the backyard. So maybe some of your gang dem come there, come carry am, and sometimes you go do style take forklift, carry that wire, comot, go near where person wey your colleague go see am carry am go. Say the thing. Na wetin you fit tell us for this one?
Because it
Make you stop.
he don't he did not ask me whether I've done all those. Well, I only did it once.
You did it once.
Yes.
Talk louder.
Or if I should, I did it twice. With I did it with one mopo and the one that they caught me, which I run, which that one make me to stop work there.
Na
Since
twice you do am.
yes, that one make me to stop work there.
The first time you do am, now which quantity how you take carry am, how you take lift am, where you put am?
It's the mopo that asked me to help. It's the mopo that asked me to help him, so that he can use it to rewire in house. So that is
Because you lift am put for the back of the.
no. I carry it to the where they used to burn the scrap, because it's scrap normal. They used to burn that one that I carry. So I drop it there. Then I didn't know how to pick it.
The second time, uncle.
The second one, when I carry it, I pass it through fence. So when the CCTV caught me, and I stop work.
Who now catch you?
CCTV, which is camera.
Okay, CCTV camera. So the Chinese man they see through CCTV camera where you dey carry am.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is how I stop work on it.
Now when you come carry the thing, the second time where you carry, who go pick am there?
It's audio.
Audio.
Yes, but
No, I don't want make you because I want make these things snappy.
Okay.
So, but me waiting I just want from you say make you tell me the truth.
Okay.
If it's matter like this happen, now only God dey help person, wey help himself. If something happen and you don't realize for your mind say you do mistake, wetin you do no good, when you talk true, God go vindicate you. Say okay. So I don't want to say this one go talk different thing, this one go talk different, because your friend wey I interview now, he say many things. So I want to make you to talk your own side of the story. You say na Odiaon carry am.
yes,
Okay.
and he didn't even give me anything out of it, because when we are four that did that. We are four that took the thing.
Who do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, Odiaon and who?
No, there are some
Odiaon and who?
with other three guys for factory.
Wetin they here?
No, they no dey. They don't even stop up for this. Now Aboki, now Hausa boys.
Okay.
They don't even stop up for there.
So among four of you, where you do the thing, now only you and Odiaon dey here now, abi?
Yes.
Okay.
And he did not even give us anything.
Okay.
He did not give us
Wetin
anything.
be Odiaon post?
Yes, chief security officer.
Na him dey be CSO.
Yes.
Okay. Why you no come share you? You use him power say him be CSO, abi?
Yes, because he said we did not tell him. We did not take permission before we did it. So that is how he sees it.
But now you dey talk two things. So you say when you carry am, na Odiaon carry am. Na Odiaon carry am from back.
Yes.
So now you come dey say now definitely you don't know about it.
He did not know. Because when those Aboki went there to pick it, they now saw him.
Okay.
They now run away. So it's those Aboki that call us that. Say,
don't carry am.
yes. So that is how we take no say na him carry am. And when I meet him, he said I should not ever meet him for anything again. So that is it.
Okay, that's how the thing go.
Yes.
And is that why you were sacked from the company?
That is how I stop work. Yes.
Now, before when you were sacked, did you tell them that this wire wey dem see you say since they carry you, say this see you say they carry wire? Did you tell the company authority say that wire wey I carry na Odiaon in hand the wire dey o?
Because I have worked there 2 years and they used even person that did not know anything, they used to arrest them. So I when I hear that CCTV has seen me, so I don't.
You don't
Yes.
mention Odion name.
No, I don't. I did not even go back to there again. Not to talk of to mention Odion. I did not go back there again.
Okay, when they tell you say they don't see what CCTV, that's why you just run away, leave the company.
That's why I stopped work.
And you say Odion no give you anything.
Did not give us anything. We are 4 in number now. We are 4. He did not give us anything.
Okay, if I want to know now, how many deal where you don't do for that company, you and Odion?
It's only
I
that.
want make you talk true. Nobody is using force on you or this thing, but I want make you say the truth. How many deal where you do, where you say if they connect with Odion, you know?
The one, it's only one, which that one he gave me 350. Yes, which 350 because this one that is
3,000.
yes, this one that he sees was not among.
Okay.
Yes, this one is different one.
This matter is different one.
Yes, this one is different one.
But the deal where you do, where Odion day, he give you 350,000.
Yes.
Now that deal, now how many of una day? Do am?
We are 2. No, we are 3. Plus him making 3.
Okay. Which be the third person name?
Is Musa? Yes. I didn't know his son.
That one still dey the company. I don't run away.
No, you don't stop.
Don't stop.
Many of them are stop.
Okay. For the period of time where you did that company, where you worked that company, how many people where you did where say them kill?
They did not kill anybody before I left. They did not kill anybody before I left.
Where you live, they don't kill anybody.
No. They did not kill anybody before I left.
Okay. Are you aware say when the police they do investigation, do waiting? Are you aware see them catch some, they see some ammunition, gun, all those machetes, everything for Odion house?
That is when because they first arrest me before him. After when they arrest him, our IPO now called me and showed me the picture. That is how they say.
That's what I say.
Yes.
Now before man and God now, before you and God now, you won't tell me say you don't know say Odion get those guns.
I swear to my God, I didn't know anything about that one. Me with another today close reach that extent. I didn't know anything about that one.
You don't know say Odion the CS will get these guns.
I swear to my God, I didn't know anything about that one. I've left the company since when? Since 2022. And even when all those killing was, I was not there. I was not there before any of them died. I was not there.
You didn't kill anybody when you were still in the company?
No, not at all.
What can you say about Odion, about this gun? Because at the end say, I ain't say no be him, no be my, let me get anything.
Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't have anything to say about him. But only thing I have to say about him is that in that factory, many people used to fear him. So many people used to fear him, including Mopo. All of them used to fear him. So
even the Mopo they fear.
Yes.
Because the guy they act like mafia and sometimes they do.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, make I come back small. That deal we will do, we give you 350,000. How much you na sell deals? Now, how much you na sell?
It's the one that sell it. I didn't know how much he sell it.
But now you carry on.
Yes. I'm the one that carry it.
So it's Odion that receive it and you that sold it.
Yes.
He just give you a share of 350,000.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, all these things we will do now. Say you do deal, you do company they work, still they carry their thing. Now waiting them at your mind now, waiting you will talk. Are you remorse? Do you all this what you do you think say you good?
No, I know it's not right, but due to although that deal that I did with him is the one that bring the idea. So yes, due to the kind of person everybody used to fear him.
He's the one that asked you to carry on.
Yes.
Do that.
So that is it.
Where will carry that thing? How will take carry?
I forklift and carry it.
Throw the back, I be in one corner you carry it.
No, I put it to the point he said I should put it. Then
Which point?
Outside.
Outside?
Yes, outside the factory.
Okay. But when they carry the thing go outside the factory, other security don't see you. I hope they don't talk anything.
You have already informed them.
Okay, don't tell them, say, if you carry that thing, make them will not talk, make them not stop you.
Yes, yes.
And all of them, they are aware.
Yeah.
So definitely, now all of them, they must collect some things now, or a share.
I didn't know about I didn't know about because they work under him. I didn't know about
All
them.
you just want to say, then give you 350,000. But if you want to take eye, look and calculate, that why I will carry down, it go reach how much?
Oh.
You say before they give you 350,000, that's a lot of money.
The 350 is our two, which is me and my second.
Okay. You know if you know how much it
I
go reach.
know if you know.
Now, what do you want now from government, from the company, from everybody, from Nigeria? Make them do for you. What do you want?
The thing is that yes, I know I've done a wrong thing, but since I'm no more working there and this thing I've said, even the company is no more looking for me anymore. I even when I left there, I still beg one of our management to help me beg Master John, which is.
ẹ ṣeun o ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa torí àwọn àgbà bọ̀ wọ́n ní ọ̀pọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ kò káàgbọ̀n ẹ ti gbọ́ dáadáa ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ eléyìí tí Peter sọ wípé Odiaon ló ní kóun bá òun kọ́kọ́ gbé wáyà kó tó di wípé òun padà ṣe míì tó tún gba ẹ̀mí lọ́wọ́ àwọn nítorí wípé ó sọ pé òun ò sọ fóun tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ìmí ìkejì tó ṣe yẹn òun ni wọ́n ní CCTV fi rí Peter kó tó di pé Peter fẹsẹ̀fẹ́ pé òun ò lè jẹ́jọ́ kó tó kúrò nílé iṣẹ́ eléyìí tí ó jẹ́ Lagos Star tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe àwọn wáyà yìí Ọlọ́run bá jọ̀ọ́ kó máa ṣọ́ wa ni kó gbà wá kó má dojú àdúrà tiwa ẹni títí ẹ ti jóná kó má kóná mọ́ tiwa làdúrà tó yẹ kẹ́dá máa gbà ní gbogbo gbà ẹ̀kọ́ ti ń fojú mímú wọn bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká kí àwọn ọmọ wa nílọ̀ dáadáa torí ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn tí ọ̀rọ̀ náà máa ń sábà ṣẹ̀ sí máa ń jẹ́ bíi láàrin ọmọ ọdún 17 sí ọmọ ọdún 23 eléyìí tó wọ́pọ̀ jù nìyẹn mo bẹ̀ lọ́hùn nínú àánú ẹ̀ pé ìgbà tó yẹ ká fẹ̀yìntì ká máa jẹ ọmọ ànírógun àsórépà burú lórí wọn ẹ jẹ́ àfi fọ́nrán yìí ránṣẹ́ sáwọn ọmọ wa kí wọ́n wò dáadáa kí wọ́n má jẹ́ kí ọ̀rẹ́kọ̀rẹ́ kó mú wọn lọ sí ohun tí wọn kò fẹ́ olóyìnbó máa pè ní lọ́ọ̀ kó má jẹ́ kí wọ́n lọ́ wọn sí ohun tí wọ́n lérò wípé àwọn gan ò lè dá ṣe kó má jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa lọ́ wọn sáwọn ìwà burúkú èyí tí ó padà di wàhálà ẹ ṣé o àbúrò rẹ̀ ṣọ̀kan tèmi tiyín tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tẹ̀ darapọ̀ mọ́ ní ìkànnì Ajiara Malifa TV ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí ẹ like ẹ comment ẹ share àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí ẹ má wàá gbàgbé bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ ní gbogbo ìgbà pé ẹ jẹ́ ká máa pe àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wa ṣàkíyèsí ẹ ṣeun ẹ kú ìfẹ́